Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and with grilling season in full swing, I was just sent this really nice 34,000 BTU barbecue grill. I mean, this thing went together so easily, and it is completely stainless steel. I mean, this thing is beautiful on the outside and it's beautiful on the inside, with about 360 square inches on the bottom cooking area. You've got some additional cooking area up here, giving you a total of about 500 square inches on this 3-burner grill. So some of the key features that I personally like about this particular one, if you come in close, you can actually see that this has stainless steel burners down there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these on so that you can see it has electronic start there. And those flames are blue and beautiful down there, and they are just lighting up really nice. So every single one of those lights up a beautiful blue, really even distribution on that propane, which is fantastic. As far as that goes, you also get a nice griddle side here, which is great. So that way you can actually cook things on a griddle, which is fantastic. The other side of this griddle actually is a flat side, so you got a couple different options on that guy there. Then you also have on this side burner, it does come with a side burner as well. You can simply turn that on, ignite that, electronic ignition, and you got a beautiful blue, ooh man, that is hot, blue flame coming out over there. So that way if you're cooking some beans or something on the side, maybe some corn in a pot or whatever, and you've got your main dish going there, you can easily do that. And then this of course folds down. On the side you have some nice hooks to hang brushes, any kind of tongs or anything that you're going to have. Those are all stainless, hooked in right into the side. They're integrated, which is nice on there. This side you've got a bottle opener and this little optional feature, so that if the battery doesn't work on this, you can use a match to put in there and light this with a match. So they give you that option. You don't want to use it, just tuck it away. But a lot of surface area, prep area over here. And then when you close this down, you've actually got a really nice temperature indicator here to kind of get that temperature up to exactly, it's already just starting to crank now that I've closed the lid here, so turn it off before I get too hot. Underneath here, you've got 2 stainless steel doors. Plenty of room for some additional accessories, plus your propane tank in there, magnetic closures on the doors, but they've thought of everything. That and the casters on the bottom allow you to roll around, including locking mechanisms on the front ones. That way it's not going to roll away whenever you take this out to your next camp out or tailgating game. This is a fantastic barbecue grill, and it would work well in pretty much anyone's home.